Best investments for your money in 2022. By now, you've probably heard that the best way to save for retirement is to start investing early. It's always a good idea to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to your finances. But with so many investment options available, it can be difficult to know where to put your money. If you're looking to make the most of your money this year, look no further. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to add some new options to your portfolio, this list of best investments should give you good returns and help you plan for a secure financial future. Here are the following best investments for your money in 2022. Dividend Stocks. One of the best ways to invest your money is through dividend stocks. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are given to shareholders. It is like a reward for owning a stock or for investing in the company. These are typically in the form of cash or as an additional stock. The companies that pay dividends are usually large, stable companies that have been around for a long time. A dividend is paid per share of stock. For example, if you own 20 shares in a company and that company pays $2 in annual cash dividends, you will receive $40 per year. Most dividends are paid quarterly, but some are paid out monthly or annually. Dividends provide a great way to generate income that can help you out in tough times or help you reach your financial goals faster. Certificates of Deposit. A certificate of deposit is a savings account where you agree to keep your money deposited for a set period of time, usually between 3 months and 5 years. In return, the bank agrees to pay you a fixed interest rate. The longer you agree to keep your money in the CD, the higher the interest rate will be. Once it matures, you can withdraw your money or reinvest it into another CD. CDs are a great investment option if you're looking for a safe place to park your money. They are insured by the FDIC, so you don't have to worry about losing your money if the bank fails. CDs also tend to have higher interest rates than savings accounts, so you can grow your savings quickly. If you don't need immediate access to your money, a CD is a great option. Just be sure to shop around for the best interest rates and terms before you commit. Gold and silver. Gold and silver have been used as currency for centuries. Today, they are still considered to be a good investment option. The price of gold and silver tends to be volatile, but it has historically gone up over time. Gold is often seen as a safe haven investment, meaning that people buy it when stock market is down or when there is uncertainty in the global economy. Last March 2022, gold prices climbed to their highest price of above $2,000 an ounce since August 2020. This is due to the conflict between Ukraine and Russia and the depreciation of the currency. If you're looking for a more traditional investment option, gold and silver are a good choice. With the right strategy, investing in gold or silver can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Real estate. Another great investment option is real estate. This includes physical properties like houses, commercial buildings, and land, as well as investments in other types of property such as REITs. Real estate can be a great way to grow your wealth. It is a tangible asset that can appreciate in value over time. And unlike stocks and other investments, it doesn't fluctuate in value as much. Unfortunately, it requires a significant upfront investment, and the process of buying and selling properties can be time-consuming and complicated. While the risks can be high, the potential rewards make real estate a great investment for those who are willing to take on the challenge. For those who want to be their own boss, investing in real estate can be a great option. High-yield savings account. Another investment that is growing in popularity is high-yield savings accounts. These are online savings accounts that offer higher interest rates than traditional bank accounts. It typically pays 20 to 25 times the national average of a standard savings account. For example, if you have $10,000 in savings and the national average interest rate is 0.1%, you will earn about $10 per year in interest. But if you put your money into a high-yield savings account that pays 2%, you could earn over $200 per year, and that can add up to thousands of dollars over time. Plus, they're risk-free as it gets, with respectable accounts covered by the FDIC up to $250,000. Series I Savings Bonds. If you're looking for an investment that offers stability and the potential for growth, Series I Savings Bond might be a good option. These bonds are issued by the US government and backed by the Federal Treasury. The interest rates on Series I savings bonds are set based on current market conditions, so they tend to go up when the economy is struggling and down when the economy is doing well. I bonds adjust their interest rate every 6 months to keep up with inflation, making them one of the best investments for your money. I bonds earn interest for up to 30 years. You can only buy $10,000 worth per year, though you can put an additional $5,000 of your tax refund into I bonds. Index funds. Index funds are a type of investment that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. These are managed by professionals and provide investors with the opportunity to diversify their portfolios without having to choose individual stocks. Index funds tend to be an easier entry point for beginners due to lower costs and minimums. You can invest in index funds through a mutual fund or an exchange-traded funds. Both are similar, but ETFs trade like stocks and tend to be more popular due to their lower fees. On the other hand, mutual funds only trade once per day at closing. Index funds offer the potential for long-term growth and are a good choice for those who want to invest in stock market but don't want to put all their eggs in one basket. Cryptocurrencies. Another alternative investment that has proven to be popular in recent years is cryptocurrencies. These are digital or virtual assets that use cryptography to secure their transactions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional investments, cryptocurrencies are not regulated by governments or financial institutions. However, it also has the potential for large returns. They are also relatively easy to buy and sell, making them one of the best investments for those who are looking to invest in something outside the traditional stock market. At the end of the day, you should always invest what you can afford to lose, so it's important to do your own research before investing in any asset. That's the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!